So, hi students, we are going to discuss about the divisions of integers. Already we have completed our multiplications and properties of multiplications in previous section. Now, we are going to discuss about the divisions. So, in the divisions, the rules of the divisions of integers can be obtained from the rules of the multiplications of integers. We have to remember following things. Here in the multiplications already we know that when we are multiplying two positive integers, then we will get the positive integer. When we are multiplying two negative integers also, we can get the positive integer as answer. So, when we are multiplying one negative integer and one positive integer, we will get negative integer as answer. So, like that only in the divisions also same rules will be obtained here, same rules will be followed. So, when we are dividing same number, same signs, the numbers which are having the same symbols, so we will get the positive integer as answer. So, here I am going to explain positive integer by positive integer will become positive integer. When we are dividing the two positive integers, we will get the positive integer as answer. As answer means coefficient. So, it will be the coefficient. So, it will be the dividend and it will be the divisor. So, numerator denominator will become dividend and divisor, that will be the coefficient. So, when we are dividing the two positive integers, we will get the positive as answer. When we are dividing with negative integer and positive integer, we will get negative integer as answer. When we are dividing positive integer and negative integer, we will get again negative integer as answer. So, when we are dividing positive negative integer and negative integer, we will get positive integer as answer. What you can observe, when we are dividing with the same symbols, then we will get the positive answer again. So, here plus divided by plus, we will get plus positive answer, and here when we are dividing negative integer by negative integer, then we will get the positive answer only. Okay. So, now we are going to discuss about the divisions of two integers with like signs, means positive and positive or negative and negative. So, I am going to explain the example division of two integers with like signs, whereas positive or negative. So, I am going to explain with the example. I am going to take a negative integer minus 16 divided by minus 8. Here these two numbers are negative integers. So, we can write like this, minus 16 by minus 8. So, minus divided by minus, we will get positive. So, here we can cancel like this, here we can cancel minus and minus also, and we can cancel 8 2 is 16. So, plus 2, positive as answer. We got positive integer as answer. When you are doing division with positive and positive also, like that only you can get the answer. So, I am going to take plus 15 divided by plus 3. I am going to take these two. So, we can write like this, plus 15 by plus 3. Plus divided by plus, we will get plus again, and we can cancel this with 3 table 5 times, and plus 5 we will get as answer. Here when we are dividing the minus with minus, we will get the positive answer. When we are dividing plus with plus also, we will get the positive answer only, positive integer as answer. So, we can observe that coefficient in each case is positive. If both the integers are the same sign, either positive or negative, the coefficient always positive. Okay. So, now division of two integers with unlike signs. Unlike signs means one integer is positive, another integer is negative. So, I am going to explain with an example. So, here I am going to take minus 12 divided by 2. So, here minus 12 is negative and 2 is positive. Here when we are going to divide this, minus 12 by 2, here plus 2. So, here minus by plus means we will get minus as answer, negative number as answer, and 2 will be cancelled 6 times here, minus 6 will be the answer. Here we got negative integer as a answer. And next example I am going to take. Here 14 plus 14 divided by minus 7. Here we can write this as plus 14 by minus 7. Here plus divided by minus, we will get minus again. Here 7 will cancel 2 times here, minus 2 will be the answer, it is also negative. When we can observe that the coefficient of each case is negative. So, if both integers that means dividend and divisor are of opposite signs or unlike signs, then the coefficient is negative. So, now we are going to enter into the properties of division of integers. Properties of divisions of integers. So, first one is closure property. In closure property, let us discuss using A and B. For any two integers A and B, where B is not equal to 0, A divided B is not necessarily as an integer. So, not necessarily it is an integer. So, we can observe with an example, A is equal to minus 12 and B is equal to minus 3. I am going to take here A is divided by B. A divided by B means we can write A by B like this, and minus 12 by minus 3, minus minus will cancel, and 3 here 4 times it will cancel, we got 4. 4 is an integer. Here we are dividing minus 12 by minus 3, we got 4, 4 is an integer. So, now I am going to take A as minus 3 and B as minus 12. Now, I am going to do the same. A divided by B means A by B. A by B means A minus 3 and B minus 12. Minus minus will cancel, it will cancel 4 times, and we got 1 by 4. So, we got 1 by 4. Here can you divide 1 from 4? Not possible. So, the result will not be an integer. So, you remember that already we know that integers no. So, any integer, any fractional number or any decimal number will not be an integer. So, we observe that integers are not closed under division, you can say like that. So, next. So, what is the next property? Commutative property of divisions in integers. So, observe the following division facts. Once I am going to write here division facts, all of you observe here, minus 9 divided by 3, I am going to write here. Minus 9 divided by 3 means minus 9 by 3. Here it will cancel 3 times, minus 3 we got here. Again I am going to change here, 3 divided by minus 9, 3 by minus 9. Then minus by plus means we will got minus here 1 time, here 3 times, 1 by 3 you got minus 1 by 3. Here what is the answer here? Minus 3, here minus 1 by 3. So, we observe that divisions are not commutative for integers. Divisions are not commutative for integers. For any two integers A and B, where B is not equal to 0, A divided by B is not equal to B divided by A. So, for any two integers A and B, we can't divide the integers with changing the order. So, when we are changing the order in the division, the answers will be changed. So, commutative property under division is not satisfied in the integers. So, next property is associative property. In the associative property, already we know that associative property in the multiplication associative property means A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. So, here also we have to write like that. Let the consider A, B, C are the 3 integers, and A divided by B divided by C is equal to A divided by B divided by C. Here these two are not equal. Here these two will not be equal, because so I am going to explain with an example. Consider minus 12, 6 comma minus 2. Here I am going to take these 3 integers. I am explaining with an example. Here A divided by B means minus 12 divided by 6 divided by C means minus 2. So, next here A means minus 12 divided by B divided by 6 means 6 divided by minus 2. So, coming to here, we have to divide this group first. Minus 12 divided by 6 means 6. So, minus divided by plus means minus we will get, and 12 divided by 6 means 2 divided by minus 2. Here minus 12 divided by, and 6 divided by 2 means plus divided by minus means minus we will get, and 6 divided by 2 means 3 times. Here minus divided by minus plus 2 divided by 2 means 1. Here minus divided by minus means plus 12 divided by 3 means 4. Here these two are not equal. So, it is satisfied. Okay. So, we observe that divisions is not associative for integers. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss about that. So, division by 0. Like whole numbers, any integers divided by 0 is meaningless. There is no meaning for the, when we are dividing with 0, we can't define the answer. If integers 0 is divided by any integers means we can get 0 as answer. So, for any integer a is not equal to 0, a divided by 0, I am going to explain with a divided by 0 we will get, we can't define this. So, 0 by a means when we are dividing 0, when we are dividing 0 to any number means we will get 0 as answer. A 0 sir, 0 we will get as answer. A 0 by a is equal to 0. So, I am going to explain with the numbers. 2 by 0 not defined, and 0 by 2 will become 0. 0 2 sir 0. So, that 0 2 0 we will get the 0 as answer, 0 as coefficient. So, next, so division by 1. So, when we divide any integer with 1, we will get the same integer as coefficient. We know that already. So, for an example, I am going to explain with example. Minus 10 divided by 1 is equal to minus 10 we will get again as answer. Here, one thing you need to remember that any whole number like 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on, you can write 1 means 1 by 1, you can imagine 1 by 1 is there. Okay, like 2 means 2 by 1 it is there. You can imagine like this. Okay, always denominator will be 1 for every integer and every whole number. This is the division by 1. Okay.